All right, guys, we're back here at PRI. We're sitting down with Kyle Strickler. Kyle, I know what you're doing, but you need to tell these people what you're doing. Tell us a little bit, give us a little background about Kyle.
Yeah, I mean, obviously, come out of the modified ranks here and been dabbling with the late model, super late models last couple of years, and had some success. There's a lot of guys coming out of the modified ranks right now that are trying to make it in the super late model world and super competitive, and just really looking forward to the 2022 season because my 2021 season couldn't have got too much worse. We did some good things. We won our first two races at Speed Weeks in Florida with the super late model, and then kind of was all downhill from there. So we're looking to rebound. Driving for my longtime friend and supporter, Charlie Donaldson. He started his new dirt late model team and got us some new Longhorns and Clements Motors, and we're ready to hit Speed Weeks tough and go down there and pick up some more wins.
Tell you what, it definitely sounds like a good combination. So that's what we're ready to do for 2022. So what is Kyle's number one goal, other than getting out of this interview? What is your number one goal for 22?
Just be consistent and get a good group core of guys that that can stick with me throughout the entire season and kind of build on something. Like I said before, the super late model world is so super competitive, and you got to have a good core group of guys that can work with you week in and week out. I definitely think that we got that now with Kenny Payton, Scott, and Jasper for the crew guys that were going to hopefully be with us all year long and build on something. So if we can go to Speed Weeks and have good Speed Weeks and be consistent and not have any failures and get the ball rolling, and it'll set the tone for the rest of the year.
I agree, buddy. I agree. Guys, we got more with Kyle and PRI coming your way.